Anyone who has ever tried hanging a shelf on a masonry wall will appreciate the benefits of a good hammer drill. They are a great addition to any DIY toolkit. These powerful tools are not only capable of making holes large enough for pipework and electrical conduit but can also be fitted with chisels for light demolition duties. 1. Bosch Rotary Hammer. The Bosch 11255 VSR rotary hammer is an impressive and versatile tool with 3 modes of operation: rotary hammer, rotation only, and hammer only. Its vibration control system makes it comfortable for extended use, while the SDS Plus system enables fast, tool-free bit replacements. The ergonomic D-handle design ensures maximum control, even in overhead or downward drilling applications. The Vario lock positioning offers 36 different bit positions for optimized chiseling angles. With a 7.5 ampere motor, this hammer delivers up to 0.1, 300 RPM and 0.5, 800 BPM, capable of handling even the toughest jobs with 2.0 feet-pounds of impact energy. Although slightly heavy for extended use, this rotary hammer is an excellent choice for those who need a powerful and reliable tool designed for heavy-duty use. 2. ENEACRO rotary hammer. The ENEACRO 1-1/4 inch rotary hammer is a professional-grade tool that also suits home users. Its powerful industrial motor and 5.5 feet-pounds of impact energy make it suitable for heavy-duty concrete and metal working projects. It can switch between 4 different functions: drill only, hammer drill, and chisel position adjustment, to adapt to various work scenarios. Safety clutch protection and the 360 degrees adjustable handle provide comfort and ease, while the anti-vibration system with PU-Soft grip decreases fatigue. The aluminum alloy housing makes it sturdy and durable, even if accidentally dropped. It can drill 1¼ inches for concrete, and 1/2 inch for metal, with 820 RPM no load speed, and 4,200 BPM max impact frequency. This versatile tool can remove tiles or demolish brickwork with ease and is suitable for wood, masonry, concrete, brick, and metal in any job setting. The package comes with several accessories and a 24-month warranty. 3. Milwaukee Hammer Drill. Milwaukee is one of the world's leading power tool brands with a reputation for high quality and durability. Their compact hammer drill takes our top spot for its all-around appeal. It delivers the kind of performance and reliability that makes it a good investment for both keen amateurs and professionals. Milwaukee claims the 2800-420 cordless hammer drill is the most powerful in its class. For standard drilling operations, it offers 2,000 revolutions per minute, and its 100 feet. Lbs. of torque on tap are sufficient to drive substantial augers and hole saws when drilling wood. Switching to hammer action provides 32,000 BPM for efficient drilling in masonry and concrete. The Power State brushless motor combines with RedLink battery management to maximize power delivery and runtime between charges. It also has overload protection to prevent damage when the drill is pushed to its limits. A drill of this power needs a high-capacity battery, and a 5Ah unit is recommended. 4. DeWalt Rotary Hammer Drill. A rotating brush ring means that you'll receive just as much power in reverse as you do in the forward position, and the D-handle design, combined with an anti-vibration control, makes this drill comfortable to operate. Our favorite feature of this tool is the integral clutch, which reduces those sudden jerks and torque reactions that happen when the bit jams in place, a frustrating and sometimes dangerous situation. Its hard-sided storage case allows you to easily transport your tool, and store it safely when you're not using it. The low price of this drill also makes it a great choice for those on a tight budget. 5. Makita Rotary Hammer. The Makita HR2475 1-inch rotary hammer is a versatile and powerful tool that's perfect for all your drilling, chiseling, and hammering needs. Its 7.0 ampere motor delivers plenty of power to handle even the toughest projects with ease. With 2.7 joules of impact energy, it can take on any job, while the 3-mode operation lets you switch between rotation only, hammering with rotation, and hammering only, to adapt to different tasks. This rotary hammer also comes with a one-touch sliding chuck for quick and easy bit changes, making it easy to transition between jobs. With a torque-limiting clutch that prevents gear damage, you can work with confidence knowing that you're protected. The variable speed trigger also allows you to control the speed and power of the tool to match your specific needs, giving you the precision you need for any project.